Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking two prerequisites. Your iPhone is unlocked and running a recent iOS, and the ring/silent switch is set to ring. Once done, go into Settings and tap Sounds and Haptics. You want to hear actual system sound samples so you can confirm changes. That's why we begin here. Tap Text Tone, then play a sound. This first step narrows the problem. If you hear system samples, app level or focus settings are likely the issue. Once you verify system sounds, inspect focus and notification settings. Open Settings Focus and disable Do Not Disturb or other active focus modes. These silence alerts. Next, open Settings Notifications, select the app and make sure Allow Notifications and Sounds are enabled. If an app still won't play a tone, toggle its notifications off and on to reset. Also check any automation schedules in Focus. They can re-enable. Finish by restarting your iPhone to clear temporary glitches. After reboot, trigger a test notification. If the issue persists, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset All Settings. This restores defaults without erasing your data and often fixes notification routing. Make sure Bluetooth isn't routing alerts to a paired device. If none of this helps, update iOS or contact Apple support. They can check deeper audio or profile problems. One tip, always test after each change to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.